Hi guys, welcome back. Today guys I will be making some sticky pork and I'm using pork ribs, and I am just going to prepare this on top of the stove, then into the oven, then on top of the stove again. So guys, let's season our pork. So you want to make sure that your pork is nicely washed and make sure that it is dry. So I'm just gonna add some salt. And some black pepper. Just like that guys. Just want to get that salt and that black pepper in. I'm gonna flip it over. Add salt, black pepper. Okay, let's rub this in. Guys, I have my wok on top of the stove. I'm just going to add some olive oil. Okay guys, so let's add some olive oil to our pot. Just need a generous amount of olive oil. Okay guys, so our oil is nice and hot. Okay guys, so we're just gonna leave that until we get that nice crisp that we're looking for on both sides. We're going to turn it over about 5-6 minutes after, and then let the other side get that nice golden crisp that we're looking for. Okay, looking lovely. Wow, look at that nice golden color, guys. Looking absolutely amazing. There you go guys, so we flip our meat, our pork meat over, and we're just gonna allow the other side to get brown as well. Just a little bit of crisp. This is how you do it guys. You don't just pop it in your oven. You get that nice crisp on both sides, and then we put that in the oven. So now we're gonna prepare our other seasoning to put on our pork. Okay guys, so now we need some green onions, some garlic, some ginger, and some lemon. So what we're gonna do guys, we're just gonna cut our ginger, and we're gonna make sure that these are very thin. So we need thin slices of ginger. That's our garlic. And I'm just gonna beat my garlic or crush my garlic just like that guys. Looking lovely. And then I'm just gonna give it a little bit of dice. Coming together nicely. There you go guys. Let's put that aside, and we're just gonna finish off with our ginger, thin slices. nice and thin, guys. Okay, so we're gonna put our ginger aside, and then we're gonna cut our green onions. Nice. And what we want now, guys, we just want the rind. So we're just gonna get some, grate these off. Let's combine that with our other seasoning. Okay. Alright guys, so now we're gonna check back on our pork and see what's happening, and then we're gonna add this. Guys, we will be adding some wine as well. You can use rice wine or sherry or any red wine that you like. Some vinegar for that acidic taste. We'll be using some soy sauce, some honey, and some brown sugar. Okay guys, so now we are going to add our seasoning that we just prepared. So our garlic, our green onion, and our ginger. So we get those ginger caramelized and release those nice juices on our pork meat. So just gonna dump everything in there, guys, and allow it to release its own juice and the flavors. Look how lovely that is looking, guys. It's coming along lovely, guys. Look at that. So just gonna allow the other side to get brown. Then we're gonna add our wine and our vinegar and all of our sauces. Get this looking lovely, guys. Okay guys, so they are looking amazing. Now we are going to go ahead and we're going to add our other ingredients. Okay guys, so we're going to add some soy sauce, and just want to add a generous amount of soy sauce. Now guys, we're going to add some honey just for a nice glaze. You know, honey gives your meat a nice glaze, so we're just going to add some honey. Looking beautiful, guys, looking lovely. Okay guys, so now we're going to be adding our vinegar. So let's add our vinegar. I just want like 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And we're gonna add our red wine. You can use sherry or rice wine. Wow, that's looking amazing, guys. Look how amazing this is looking. lovely. Absolutely amazing. The aroma that is coming from this pot right now, guys, it is amazing. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to add my homemade chicken stock. And guys, I'm adding 16 ounces, which is 2 cups of homemade chicken stock. You can use any chicken stock that you want. If you know to make your own, you can go ahead and do that as well. And we're just going to allow this to cook about 10 more minutes on the stove top. Then we're going to pop this in our oven, and then we're going to come back and finish it off on our stove top. Okay guys, so I removed them from my wok and put them in my baking pan. So now guys, they're looking lovely. Look at all those beauty. Look at the ginger, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm just going to allow this to cook. So after they are nice and soft, I'm going to take them from the oven and finish them off. So at this point, guys, I am going to be adding my brown sugar with a little bit of browning. So I'm going to be using half tablespoon of browning and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay guys, so what I have here is some of the stock from the pork, and I'm just going to add about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and just half tablespoon of browning. And the browning is optional, guys, okay? You don't have to. But I like when my meat have some color, and that's the reason why I did them on the stove top before I put them in the oven. So you just want to combine this together. And we're just gonna pour this all over our pork. Nice, nice, nice. Smelling so good, guys. Wow. Now look at that, guys. Looking absolutely amazing. Okay guys, so let's pop this in our oven. I hope you can see this. Looking lovely. So let's pop this in our oven now, guys. There you go, guys, and we're just gonna allow that to cook for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to remove it and finish off. Okay guys, I think it's time to take our pork from the oven. Wow, look how amazing this is looking. So guys, we're gonna finish this off on our stove top. So again, I'm going to put back my pieces to our original pot. Look how caramelized this ginger looks. Nice and caramelized. Caramelized ginger and caramelized onions are the best. Okay guys, so you want to get all your juices and stuff back in your pot. Nice. There you go, guys. And we're just gonna finish this off on our stovetop now, guys. We're just gonna give this like another 10 minutes and we're good. We should be ready Our pork is smelling good. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about my sticky pork. Okay guys, so it's that time. Oh my god, our sticky pork is ready. Yes guys, so we're just gonna turn off the stove. Okay, and let's take this off our stove and plate. Let's go guys. Okay guys, so let's plate this lovely. Wow. Oh my god guys, look at this. There you have it guys. Let me know what you think. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so yet. My sticky pork recipe is awesome. Please try it out. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Until next time.